Hello, I'm Peter Robert. Today I'm going to give you some important information on how to install and seal the electrical connector, also referred to as a pigtail, that is included with some of our ACDelco fuel pumps. A poor connection between the body electrical harness connector and the fuel pump can result in several drivability concerns. To address these concerns, GM Engineering has developed an enhancement to the ACDelco fuel pumps for the affected vehicles, which requires installation of a newly designed electrical connector. Here's the original connector compared to the new connector. Similar to other electrical pigtails available from ACDelco, the new fuel pump pigtail includes a new connector, blunt cut wires with terminals, and crimp and seal splice sleeves. Although the splice sleeves appear to be ordinary butt connectors, they are so much more than that. These high-quality splice sleeves not only provide a reliable electrical connection between similar sized wires, they also utilize an environmental sealant. When heat is applied to the splice after crimping, the outer shell shrinks around the wiring and sealant flows throughout the joint to prevent water, salt spray, or other environmental contaminants from corroding the connection. Since our fuel pump connectors live in a very harsh environment, sealing the splice sleeves after crimping is critical to ensuring a quality repair. Here are the tools we recommend, but any equivalent tool can be used as well. J38125-8 ratcheting crimpers. These crimpers are available from Kentmore Tools by calling 1-800-345-2233. An automatic wire stripper, the Master Ultra Torch UT100 or UT100SI with hot air and heat shrink attachments. The Ultra Torch is available from authorized master appliance distributors. For more information, go to masterappliance.com. You can also use a heat gun that produces 500 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we know what tools we need, let's take a look at the steps for installing the fuel pump connector. Start by taping the original fuel pump connector to the redesigned one. This will help us maintain the correct wiring harness length. Line up the original wire with the corresponding wire from the new pigtail. You may need to consult your wiring diagram for your specific application. Next, starting 2 inches or 50 millimeters away from the harness connector, cut the original wire and the matching wire from the new pigtail simultaneously. Stagger the remaining 3 cuts 1.5 inches or 40 millimeters longer after that. Now that the wires are all cut, strip 5/16 of an inch or 7.5 millimeters of insulation from each of the wires being spliced and insert them into the correct splice sleeve. The large blue crimp and seal splice sleeves are used for the fuel pump power and ground circuits, and the small salmon-colored crimp and seal splice sleeves are used for the fuel level sensor wires. When you crimp the splice sleeves in place, make sure to use the crimping tool nest that matches the splice sleeve you're working with. After you have all the wires inserted and crimped, gently tug on the wires to verify a good mechanical connection. Also check each splice for electrical continuity using a digital ohm meter. You should see very close to 0 ohms if your crimps are good. The final step in this procedure is heating the splice sleeves until the sealant comes out of each end. When applying heat to the crimp, keep the tool moving so as not to scorch the wire or splice sleeve. Remember, there may be fuel vapors in the area. If you're using a torch, use caution. This procedure will be required if you receive your new fuel pump with a redesigned electrical connector, so your best offense is a good defense. When you get your new ACDelco fuel pump and redesigned electrical connector installed correctly, the repair will be durable and your customers will enjoy the road for many more miles. Check back often as we will continue to add videos to help you help your customers. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.